the World Telegram News, I'm Edvardi Jackson. Now here's the latest from our newsroom. This morning, the Supreme Court ruled that the nationwide ban on TikTok could take effect as early as Sunday. However, sources close to the Biden administration say the decision is not happening under this presidency. Instead, the Biden team is leaving the decision to President Trump as he prepares to return to office. Criticism of TikTok dates back to 2019 when the U.S. Army and Navy banned the app on government devices following guidance from the Department of Defense over security concerns. In 2020, President Trump issued 2 executive orders forcing ByteDance, TikTok's Chinese parent company, to sell its U.S. business, citing national security risks. When President Joe Biden took office in 2021, though, he revoked those orders. Instead, he directed a review of foreign-owned apps, including TikTok, to evaluate. Then, in 2022, Biden signed legislation banning TikTok on government devices. Finally, in April of last year, Biden signed into law H.R. 7521, which set a deadline of January 19th, or this Sunday, for ByteDance to divest TikTok's U.S. operations or face a nationwide ban. Trump, who led spyware concerns during his first administration, has softened his tone on TikTok. Reports suggest that his second administration may collaborate more closely with technology companies. TikTok CEO Suzy Chu is expected to attend Trump's inauguration alongside executives from other tech and social media giants. Critics of a potential ban argue that it would infringe on free speech and harm small creators and businesses. Many TikTok users have already migrated to an alternative platform called Xiaohongshu, better known in English as RedNote. The app has seen a surge of new users, many calling themselves TikTok refugees. While some Chinese users and the national broadcaster CCTV have welcomed the influx, others remain very wary of growing American influence on the platform. Unlike TikTok, RedNote enforces strict rules against advertising and linking outside the app. Violations, such as sharing contact information, can lead to account suspension. However, the app is no stranger to controversy. Leaked documents in 2022 revealed significant censorship of sensitive topics, discussion about Chinese labor strikes, human rights abuses against Uyghurs, student suicides, and historical events like the Tiananmen Square protests have been suppressed. Even criticisms of President Xi Jinping and the Chinese Communist Party have been targeted. As users, the media, and the government continue to deliberate ahead of the 19th, experts argue that the decision could have significant implications for technology and free speech in the U.S. For the World Telegram News, I'm Edvardi Jackson.
This WTN News Update was brought to you in part by JFR Productions. For filming and video, call JFR Productions for your next project. Reach out to John Renna at jfrfilmproductions@gmail.com or call 716-261-0036.